All form is here to perform the magic trick and deceive the eyes to make the eye believe the lie, so that we could play the game to remember his name. Now, you see, there are very specific rules and protocols if one should hear the call. Follow them to a T, doing otherwise is other than wise. But how else is the devil to make his way back home after he has fallen from the skies? So it's no surprise that such a being is rare indeed, a diamond in the rough, lost under layers of sediment that will have to move through countless impediments to return to the pristine dream of serene scenes. So find that jeweler that can polish your 9 faces and embellish the 5 facets so you can see yourself clearly. And when you should appear before he shall say, "Welcome home, my child. For countless lifetimes you were lost, wandering in the wild, and yet here you are, to take your rightful place once again beyond the stars." And all thoughts evaporate into your great expanse. What once seemed so important becomes a wisp of smoke, drifting away as a latent memory of what once was. Clinging to the hem of your garment, I can grip to nothing else. I beg of you, on hands and knees, have mercy, my Lord, for I am a faithless sinner with no power to overcome my innumerable faults. Please bless me with your glance of grace, so that I may have a chance to rectify my blackened face. May I find rest in your sanctuary, under the umbrella of your luminosity. May the sound of your loving devotees chanting praises of your name fill me with devotion to serve you, and may my eyes be open to experience all as one beautiful, diverse spiritual family. And may I never forget you, forever and ever, never ever to be separated again. In your name I trust. In your name I give everything. My past, my here, my now, my future, everything is yours. Do with it as you will. I give you my free will to be reborn in your immaculate vision of what could be when man is liberated, whole, complete, and free.